Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing what's trending on Twitter in different countries. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Twitter app and tap on the search icon from the bottom of the home page. You will be brought to the For You section. Tap on Trending at the top of the page. Here you will see what is trending on Twitter in your country. To see what is trending in other countries and states, tap on the Settings cog in the top right corner. Turn the toggle off after where it says Show Content in your current location. When you switch it off, it will turn from green to grey. Now tap on Explore Locations. You can scroll down through the countries, or you can search for your location in the search bar at the top. You can choose a country or region or state. Tap on the country, region or state to select it, and then tap Done in the top right corner. You will now see what is trending on Twitter in that location. You can scroll down and tap on Show More to see everything that is trending there. You can do this for any location you like. And if you would like to see what is trending in your own country again, then turn the toggle back on where it says Show Content in your current location. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.